A special honor today for a K-9 officer with the Danville Police Department. K-9 Officer Crew and his partner received a commendation from Governor Kelly Ayotte this morning. Crew led the way in finding a local boy who became lost in a snowstorm back in December.
Officer Capsalis and K-9 Crew responded to assist the Sandown Police Department in locating a missing juvenile with autism, and through swift deployment and coordinated efforts with the Rockingham County Sheriff's Department, K-9 Crew established a scent track and led officers approximately 1.5 miles into a wooded power line corridor where the juvenile was safely located.
Crew got a sweet reward with a big piece of cake that he was allowed to eat off the floor. Executive Council Chambers.